My name is Herman Verbeek. I'm the product marketing manager for the Q4 e-trons. We've got four important pillars. One is design, of course. Second is EV performance. Third one is technology. And the fourth one is everyday usability. We have two models. One is the SUV and one is the Sportback. We've changed the exterior design. It's cleaner. The grille is more upright. We have changed the bumpers in such a form that we have more horizontal lines. The inlays on the front and inside and in the rear are all high gloss black, so it gives much more quality appeal. We have done some changes to the lights. First of all, the daytime running lights have changed. They have four new designs. We've got also four new designs in the rear. One of them is dynamic. And we've got OLED taillights. My personal highlight of the Q4 e-tron is the improved interior. There's a complete new dashboard. The air vents are now vertical, so it gives the driver a cozy feel. There is a panoramic display, 11.9 inch for the driver, 12.8 inch center display and a 12-inch co-driver display. The panoramic display is wrapped towards the driver, so it's easily to operate. The icons are easy to understand. If you go to the driver's functions, then you can easily deactivate or activate the functions. The new center console also offers a higher quality look and feel. It's soft and it also represents the same stitching as on the seats. We've got new decor elements. They are not so high gloss. There is a dual charger for the phones, and in total we've got 24 liters of storage space. Functional cup holders in the center console, and we can put the bottle also in the side panels of the door. We've got also in the steering wheel new roller buttons for the sound controls and for the selecting the driver display, so it's easier to operate. EV performance is crucial, of course, so we have improved the range for the entry model, the volume model. There is a new motor which is more efficient, and we have also increased the charging performance up to 185 kilowatts. We have a lot of new assistance functions you normally know from, let's say, higher class vehicles. In the driving area, we've got the Adaptive Cruise Assist Plus, which uses also different data from other vehicles. In the parking area, we've got the trained parking assist, so the car learns from you how you park. We've got the reversing assist, we've got the intelligent park assist and the remote park assist, so even you can park the car with your mobile phone. Everyday usability was one of the main pillars of the Audi Q4. We've got one of the biggest interior roominess in the segment. Well, there's a lot of leg room in the rear. Also in the boot, there's a lot of room. 520 liters for the SUV, 535 liters in the Sportback. You can fold down the rear seats independently, 40, 20, 40. One very useful feature of the new Audi Q4 e-tron is the vehicle-to-load functionality. There's an adapter. This adapter can be plugged in the vehicle and then, for example, charge your mountain bike if you are in the forest. Besides the charging functionality on the outside, there's a socket in the boot of the vehicle. You can also connect any kind of electrical appliances up to 3.6 kilowatts. To summarize, now we've got a sharpened design, we've got improved EV performance, there is more everyday usability with the vehicle-to-load socket, and improved technology.